In this video, I'll show you exactly how to connect HubSpot to LinkedIn so you never have to manually copy contact info or switch tabs again. You'll learn how to sync leads automatically, enrich their data instantly, and keep everything updated, all without leaving LinkedIn. I'll also walk you through how a simple Chrome extension makes this process incredibly simple. Now, if you don't already know, HubSpot offers native integrations with LinkedIn Sales Navigator, but it doesn't natively pull detailed contact info directly from LinkedIn profiles into the CRM. Meaning you won't get your prospects' verified email addresses or phone numbers into your CRM. Luckily, there is a way to do this with the Wiza Chrome Extension. Now, before I jump into the Chrome extension, let me just show you how the native HubSpot integration works with Sales Navigator. If your team already uses HubSpot Sales Pro or Enterprise, you can integrate LinkedIn Sales Navigator by installing it from the HubSpot app marketplace and following the setup prompts. Once you're connected, you'll see a new LinkedIn Insights panel on contact and company records, displaying real-time info like mutual connections and shared interests. However, here are some important details associated with this connection. You need a HubSpot Sales Hub Pro, which starts at $100 per seat per month, or Enterprise plans starting at $150 per seat per month, which might be a little expensive for small teams that might need to look for more affordable tools. And then on LinkedIn, the integration requires Sales Navigator Advanced Plus, which costs approximately $133 per user per month, which is $1,600 per user per year. Also, this setup requires admin permissions for both platforms. And even with CRM sync, data syncing can sometimes lag or miss updates, and it doesn't always capture every detail from LinkedIn profiles. So while it technically works, you might still find yourself double checking and manually filling in gaps to keep your HubSpot contacts truly up to date. Now, this is where Wiza makes it so much easier and actually more affordable. Now, if you don't already know, Wiza is a sales prospecting tool for LinkedIn with an awesome Chrome extension. It lets you find verified email addresses and phone numbers right from LinkedIn profiles and Sales Navigator lists, but it doesn't just stop at finding contacts. Wiza's Chrome extension can also help you easily connect HubSpot to LinkedIn. With Wiza's bulk export and CRM sync, you can export leads in bulk or just push them directly to HubSpot. Wiza also gives you seamless CRM matching. This means that if someone's LinkedIn profile already exists in your HubSpot CRM, you'll see a CRM icon on that person's LinkedIn profile. You can update their info or add them as a brand new contact, all without ever having to leave LinkedIn. Now, this is super convenient. And the best part is that it works on both regular LinkedIn profiles and Sales Navigator. So no matter how or where you prospect, Wiza's right there with you, so you can sync your LinkedIn contacts with HubSpot very easily. So here's exactly a step-by-step guide on how to connect HubSpot to LinkedIn using Wiza. First, head over to the Chrome store and add the Wiza extension. I also added a quick link in the description of this video so you can get that really quickly. It's super easy to set up and it works on all of the Chrome-based browsers like Edge and Brave. So go ahead and get that Chrome extension in the description of this video. Step 2 is to link your HubSpot account to Wiza. Once you have the Chrome extension installed, you'll then be brought to the Wiza dashboard where you can connect it to your HubSpot CRM. Now, this integration lets Wiza sync contacts directly from LinkedIn to HubSpot, so you don't have to export and import CSVs manually. Then step 3 is to search for leads on LinkedIn or Sales Navigator. Just browse LinkedIn like you normally would, and then when you land on a profile, you'll see the new Wiza extension show up on their profile. Now, this extension will automatically check if that contact exists in your HubSpot CRM, and if it does, you'll see a little CRM icon next to their name, and if not, you can go to step 4. Now, the next step is to reveal their verified contact info. If they're not already in your contacts, click Find Email or Reveal Contact in the extension. Wiza gets their verified emails and phone numbers in real time, so you don't have to waste time verifying the contact information with another tool. And then step 5 is to add or update contacts in HubSpot. If you have a new contact, just hit that Add to HubSpot button and watch the data flow in. Pre-existing contacts, you can simply sync the new contact info or update their record. And if, and this is a big if, for some reason Wiza's automatic matching misses the mark, you can manually link or unlink contacts to keep everything tidy. Now, if you have a whole list of prospects, maybe from a LinkedIn Sales Navigator list, you can use Wiza's bulk export feature to send up to 2,500 contacts at once directly into HubSpot, or download a CSV for a backup or connect to another tool. Now, this is handy if you're doing some serious prospecting on Sales Navigator and you're building multiple lists. With Wiza, you get a real-time and completely automated way to capture verified contact information from LinkedIn and then sync it directly into HubSpot. And to take things a step further, we introduced Wiza Monitor. So if your prospects change positions within their company or they join a new organization with a whole new email address, Wiza can automatically update their contact information in HubSpot HubSpot and send you a real-time Slack alert or email notification. Now, if you want to see this in action, you can check out the full video right here or go to the link in the description, and you can see how Wiza Monitor works and how you can get it set up in just a few clicks. Have a magical day, and I'll see you in that next video.